Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video and we are kicking off Vlogmas. I am so excited for Vlogmas. This is the first video of my Vlogmas series and I'm doing some shopping for Christmas gifts at Five Below, so let's get into it. But can we get a little commotion for my natural hair one time? Because Auntie then blew her hair out and threw some curls in it. And baby, we are definitely giving Felicia Rashad, aka Claire Huxtable from The Cosby Show. And I absolutely love that for me, okay? I'm an 80s baby, so if you know, you know. But I end up putting a hat on to go shop. And Auntie is out on her way to do Auntie things. Auntie is out doing some shopping for her family, so of course I had to go by Five Below because they're definitely budget friendly and they have a lot of really good deals for the holiday season. I did this video last month in November, so I got my Christmas shopping done early, but I wanted to show you guys all the cool stuff that they have in case you are out shopping for your loved ones as well. Now y'all know I love to scratch and sniff, so I stopped by their holiday scent shop. I actually smelled this one because somebody had opened it. It wasn't me, but it was like a little open right there. Oh my god, it smells so good. So I am definitely going to pick up this one. They also have the lotions to match. I love a good smell good combo, whether it's a body scrub and a lotion and a spray, whatever the duo or trio is, I am going to get it if it has something to match it. So I got the sugar cookie scrub and the sugar cookie body lotion. It smells just like a sugar cookie. They also had a peach berry scent, so I got that one as well. I did smell this one as well, and it is so peachy and sweet. For these to only be $5, they smell real good. Now everybody loves some new Christmas pajamas during Christmas season, and they have such a wide variety of Christmas pajamas. Initially they were priced at $7, but the lady was switching the sign while I was in the store, and guess what? The lady that worked here literally just changed the signs, and the pajamas are 2 for $10 mix and match. Hold on. They literally changed the sign right then and there from $7 to 2 for $10 mix and match. So instead of buying 1 for $7, you can pick 2 for $10. Now that is a steal of a deal. So if you plan on buying any of your family members or friends or whoever some Christmas pajamas, you better hit up Five Below before that sale ends. I don't know how long it's going to be on, but I definitely snatched a couple up for some of my family members, and I snatched these up for myself, especially since I'm going with the gingerbread theme this year for Christmas. Those are perfect. And of course I gotta stop by the nail section. I cannot be in a store and not check out all the nails. So let's get into the nails that they have for the holidays. These are so cute. I love that the tip of the nail is a Santa hat with the red and the white. Super cute. These are Pretty Woman press-on nails. These come with 24 nails and nail glue, and I love that they have that little nail that's at the bottom for you to kind of put your finger under there to see how the nails look on your finger, which I think that is very innovative and really cool because we be needing to see how it's gonna look before we buy it, you know. So I like that. But these Christmas nails are so cute and perfect for the holidays. They are only $5 a pop, so you can get yourself some, or gift some to somebody. It's the season of giving, and you can give a lot when it's as cheap as $5. So 2 sets of nails, $10 to go in a stocking stuffer or something. I think that is absolutely a win. This set is really cute. I love that blinged out bow that's on the tip of that nail. These are definitely giving white Christmas vibes. And these are like a medium coffin shape, so I was like, oh, it's giving like the icy blue Christmas vibes. Super cute. And then this set right here is also giving like icy white Christmas vibes. I love the silver and the bling and the French tips. Very classic, super cute. And I did buy a set of these so that I could show you guys the actual quality, and I will be doing a tutorial and review on a set of these nails, so make sure you guys stay tuned into my Vlogmas series. And how cute are these lotions that I came across? I love that they have the little dangling charm on the end of the lotion. That sold me right there. I was like, let me just get both of these and throw them on in the basket. And it comes in the shower foam. Yeah, we just gonna have to get the shower foam, the spray, and the lotion. They have these really cute hand sanitizer and hand cream gift sets. They have it in the sugar cookie and the peach berry, just like the lotion and the body scrub. So that could be like a whole gift set for somebody. You can get the lotion, the body scrub, and one of these hand sanitizer and hand cream gift sets and make a whole little gift basket for somebody as a gift. And that's about 15 bucks. That's a $15 gift. I also saw these Hello Kitty kids press-on nails sets, and I definitely picked one up for my daughter because she is always in my nail stuff. And I stopped by the toy section to see what they had for her as well. I did get her a few gifts out of there, including this nail studio. It comes with press-on nails, a nail dryer, and nail polish. My daughter is going to absolutely love that. And then they have a whole section of Wicked stuff, like everything Elphaba and Glinda, like Wicked everything. I picked up this Vanity Cosmetics set for my daughter as well. She loves her little play makeup and play nails and stuff, so this is right up her alley and she gonna be so happy. They also have a whole section dedicated to the Grinch. I mean, everything Grinch, from a hair set to house shoes, Grinch Christmas hats, Grinch t-shirts, coffee mugs, everything Grinch, you name it, they got it. $5. I picked up this really cute shirt. It says I'm dreaming of a pink Christmas, and I'm definitely having a pink Christmas, as you guys can tell from my Christmas decorations. And I also picked up this shirt as well. It says feeling jolly, and it has a cup of hot cocoa and a marshmallow. I just thought that was so cute, so I got that one as well. They also have $5 gift sets. This is like a dupe for Ariana Grande's Cloud. This is called Vanilla Dream. They also have a cherry scented gift set. It comes with body lotion, a shower gel, and a spray. And they also have some Sol de Janeiro dupes in there for $5. Make sure you guys check out your local Five Below. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas video. Stay tuned for the next one, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video of my Vlogmas series. Peace.